Hi again. I've decided to do a study of a cat face. I have started with the tin foil, which I use aluminium tin foil. I take sheets and then I roll it up into a ball, and I've made 3 balls, different sizes. The head's bigger, and this is what he looks like. I started first with making a example. I made it in this pink clay. It's called light clay. It's a new clay. Well, I've just discovered it. I bought it in this pack. It's called Super Light Clay. And they come in little containers like this. It's super light and it dries, but it's bouncy. It doesn't dry firm. So this is my example I'm going to take, and then I'm going to use this one as my main one, and I'm going to use this clay, this air drying new clay that I haven't used before, and see how that works, because I usually use a different kind, but I'm going to try this one. Okay, I'm ready to put the clay on my armature, my cat head, and I'm going to take some of this clay out here. This clay is very, very sticky, and look at it, it's messy. You got to prepare it first. You got to stretch it and knead it so it's nice and soft and also not so sticky. Very, very messy. I'm not used to this clay. I'm used to the drier one. You can see I've got a new setup. This is my workstation. My other station is my photo studio, where I take the videos and photos of my finished sculptures. I think I might have taken a little bit too much, but let's see how this goes. We'll just put that on the side, and now we just roll this. You only need a thin layer because the tin foil, aluminium foil, makes the frame. So you just need like a crust or a thin layer over everything. And we just pat it down. I've got a roller here somewhere. Here we go. I can just roll nicely. Put that on the side. Oh, it's very sticky. Yo. Uh-oh. And I'm on a silicone mat, and this is how sticky it is. I've made a flat piece, which is fairly thin. Now you take your armature, which is falling apart. Oh, gee. And you place it on the armature, and then you push it with your thumb. Let's take it off the base. I've added the clay off camera because it was too sticky and that it just made a hang of a mess. I've smoothed and I've added the cheeks, the chin, the nose, the eyes, the ears, and maybe this should be called How Not to Make a Cat's Head. I've let the cat head dry for 3 days, and you can see the cracks. They are very deep. My solution is I make a solution of clay with water, and I call it wet clay. As you can see, it's very liquefied. It's not like normal clay where you can make something. It's almost like paint. Now what I do is I dip a paintbrush in it, and I take my cat head, find a crack, and just dab it into the crack. And when that dries, I usually sand it to make it nice and smooth. Cat head has dried, and the patches that I did is also dry, the cracks. And I'm going to be sanding it now, which I use my mini Torque. And it's got a sanding little tool at the end. And you put it on, and you go to the rough place, and you sand it. You can see all the dust flying everywhere. That's why you should have a mask on. I have patched the cracks, but there's a whole lot of fine cracks, which I think will look quite nice, the effect. And look who's just come to sit with me, my cat. I don't know how much artwork I'm going to get done. Ted, I finally finished him, is my interpretation of what a cat head looks like. I haven't painted it exactly, I've just put shading. Some people might like it, some people won't. But thanks for watching.